This Minions costume can be put together in just a few minutes with items you may already have on hand. I used a yellow crew neck sweatshirt, stonewash overalls, a yellow beanie, black gloves, black zip ties, and a pair of black shoes. I started by inserting the zip ties into the top of the hat for the hair. To complete this cute look, you can use costume goggles and a banana. Dress your child in all of the items and this look is complete. This is bound to be a hit with your kids because the costume is very comfortable and the pieces can be removed at any time. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.